All right, everyone, thank you for joining us once again on the ESCO Roadshow. On this adventure, we are headed to the Mitsubishi Chicago Training Center, just outside of Chicago in Schaumburg, Illinois. Mitsubishi has 11 Mitsubishi-owned training centers in Atlanta, Boston, Manhattan, Florence, New Jersey, Orlando, Houston, Dallas, Los Angeles, Chicago, Cincinnati, and Mexicali, Mexico, as well as 112 Mitsubishi authorized training centers at locations near you, primarily at equipment distributor locations. In the last decade, the Mitsubishi Technical Training Department has given 24,000 plus classes to over 355,000 students. That would be at over 3,000 locations with nearly 700 different technical training instructors. Total, they have delivered over 800 different HVAC and refrigeration courses. To learn more about all of the training opportunities available to you through Mitsubishi, visit MitsubishiComfort.com.